Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Mallet and welcome to my course, Managing SELinux Policies in Enterprise Linux. Now I work as a Linux trainer and consultant at my own company within the UK, the Urban Penguin. This course is designed to give you the skills needed in deploying SELinux policies in Red Hat Enterprise Linux, keeping your system secure and avoiding the need to disable SELinux. This course will help you understand the what and the why of SELinux, especially focusing on the need to secure your system from potential cyber threats. Some of the major topics that we cover include implementing SELinux user security, understanding type enforcement rules, and writing our own custom SELinux modules. By the end of this course, you will be able to deploy customized services such as the Apache web server, which we secure with SELinux, and fully appreciate how to operate SELinux effectively. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Linux server management and be able to install RHEL-based Linux systems. I do hope you'll join me on this journey learning with full insight of how you can keep your system secure with SELinux.